Hello, POCs. Welcome back. Video number 62, Leadership Beyond 2026. One of the challenges they have to face, they will face in the next couple of years, or one of the skills they have to learn in the next couple of years. Process clarity skills. Process clarity skills. Video number 62. Purposes AI ready manufacturing to assess the readiness of the AI interference, AI penetration in the next couple of years, which is going to happen. Okay, let's move on. What is process clarity? It's the leader's ability to understand and assimilate manufacturing processes, workflows from start to the end, from raw material input till the product output. They have to understand the process workflows, at least the complete block diagrams, at least. The manufacturing, for example, in the petrochemicals I was working in, it had got about 7 products. Now it has grown too much. It has gone too much, maybe 13, 14 products, more than that, today. Okay. So the interaction between all the process plants, all the workflows, who supplies what, how the products the manufacturing units produce get raw materials from other plants. There are, say, 13 manufacturing units. Each manufacturing unit supply some raw material to produce to another complex or another manufacturing unit within the premises of the organization. So, interconnection of these, the process workflows, at least at the block diagram level, they must understand the whole. Who? The manufacturing leaders of each plant. Each one is a product. Each plant produces a product. The manufacturing leader of that plant must know to who we are supplying to, how they use it. The manufacturing leader of the receiving end, he must know where from we are getting, how we use them. So, all manufacturing leaders of the individual process plants under one roof, they must know. Ability to understand the cross-functional departments of each plant. Ability to understand whom to call from the other units in case we need some inputs. How that unit input is helpful for us. The receiving manufacturing leader must know. And the supplying manufacturing leader head, he must know how this is used over there. Cross-functional, interdepartmental workflows associated with the whole manufacturing processes. And to some extent, what are the inputs and outputs? What are the measurable items in this? What are the measurables required to understand to feed the AI readiness requirement? What are the cycle times within which they are making the products? Within the cycle time, what problems can be encountered? What are the quality parameters of all the units supplying and receiving? What are the constraints if something goes wrong in the product quality, in the equipment? What are the safety requirements of that plant and this plant? What are the regulatory requirements of health and safety of the people? What are the safety requirements to protect the whole plant, my plant, their plant, and all manufacturing units under one roof? So this must be communicated. This must be interlinked. This must be integrated in order to give more information to the AI readiness, AI assisted manufacturing unit readiness. That is the process clarity. All right? Good. How does process clarity help manufacturing leaders? How does process clarity help the manufacturing leaders? Little more details. To prepare manufacturing systems ready for AI assistance in the next 2 years. In the next 2 years, the knowledge of inputs, outputs, normal operating parameters, limits, interdependencies of the process stages, product stages, product details, intermediate details, health, safety, environment, for examples. The constraints related to different stages and their impacts. If there is a constraint, what impact it will have on the assistance of the AI readiness. So all these information required for integration. Different sections of the own manufacturing unit and the other manufacturing unit who are receiving, supplying, controlling. Process variables are controllable. Some process variables you cannot control. Therefore, this training, the foundation knowledge, all managers should be trained as soon as possible. By who? The experts who are available, who know AI behavior, who know AI interference better than the manufacturing leaders. the subject matter experts. And these are the guys who should be in the teams, the collaborated teams, which each manufacturing leader will have with them in their department, in their production units. So, ultimately, what's going to happen? The AI assistance is going to become reliable manufacturing assistance. Reliable means proactive, to identify the problems, to clear it before the AI realizes that it is going to be interrupted by some problem. Before AI senses that, we must be able to sense and tell. If this happens, do this. Feed it to the AI. So this is how it's going to help the leaders. Process clarity. And how does process clarity help manufacturing leader? Continues. So AI leader with process clarity understands the flow of information and the flow of decisions. He knows the information, flow of decisions largely depend upon this information. To get the AI's performance better. As I told you earlier, AI are not capable of making proactive decisions. Only human efforts will only know how to use those information for incorporating preventive measures in AI-assisted manufacturing processes. Okay, this is what is known as the process clarity. All right. I'll come up with more information in my next video. Okay, good. See you. Bye-bye. Happy learning.